Welcome to ViaDeco Home, specialists in the manufacture of table placemats. Our wide variety of designs, colors, textures, and materials are manufactured without phthalates to protect the health of our users. All very easy to clean and store. We use high-quality raw material, specially formulated for food contact. During the extrusion process, we add copper nanoparticles that prevents the spread of viral and bacterial diseases such as COVID-19. With our cutting plotters and digital impressions, we can manufacture any shape and print small volumes in full color. A good combination between technology and handcraft allow us to offer a product of quality at a competitive price. To take care of the environment, ViaDeco Home uses clean energies, consumes low levels of water, and recycles all production waste. With more than 10 years of experience, we take care of every detail so that our table placemats can be stored, transported, and exhibited in home stores in Chile, Germany, Switzerland, Hungary, USA, and Canada. Do you have some special requirement? Do you want a unique product in the market? Contact us, ViaDeco Home, your partner in table placemats.